This is a joint initiative between Housing and Community Care and the St. Johnstone Community Coaching Team to offer a range of sporting opportunities to those who may otherwise face barriers to accessing them. The Saints Project is for adults with learning disabilities, autistic spectrum disorder, those who experience mental illness, and those who are recovering from substance misuse problems. It has already gained plaudits for its innovative approach. The Scottish Football Association has described the project's work within the field of mental health football as trailblazing.
So really what we've been trying to do in terms of our learning disabilities, our mental health and our drug and alcohol strategies is basically bring some of that well-being thinking, some of the stuff that's come from research about what makes people happy and actually introducing that into their lives.
Things that we take for granted, us taking part in a sporting activity is something that they may have otherwise faced barriers in doing. I think the project has helped break down these barriers and allowed people to participate in something they might not otherwise have had the chance to do.
Yeah, you do get friendly with people around here, and they're a cheery bunch, you know, and you just got to lift up their spirits really and you get along fine.
Sometimes meeting strangers can be difficult if you have a learning disability or if you have a mental well-being issue. But over the weeks we've noticed that becomes easier for people. And the other success is some of them are achieving sporting success, which really is a bonus to us because we didn't expect that. At this point, I could maybe proudly say that we have possibly up to 11 players going down to the Special Olympics this summer to play football. So as well as the social successes, we're experiencing sporting successes as well, which is great.